Hi, thank you to my video of the 2023 Langley Open House. Enjoy your journey. All right, so we're at the open house. Here's the big hangar, real nice organization, buses and stuff, big hangar. Beautiful, beautiful day for an open house. Look at all the people. Oh man, look at this nice bird in there. All right, at Langley Open House. 20,000 people expected. They are, and they've got all different setups. They got a low Earth orbit system there. They got a expandable habitat module. They got a 777. Didn't know NASA had a 777 in inventory, a little Blue Origin thing. Very nice hangar. The inside looks real nice, a nice lift and jig.
Can we make this blended wing design in anticipation of making it a commercially viable product? And also, it's called active flutter suppression. So when we use a flight computer to use these control surfaces to suppress that motion. So hey, look, we're doing that.
Nice active flutter. Okay, there's 17 buildings on this tour, and now we're at building number 2. First building was that hangar, and here's the second building, and what they got set up out here is a active display. You see this cage system so that no one will get hurt, and they got a octocopter in there. Okay, Action Jackson here. There it is. What it is it's a simulated scale of a probe that's going to Saturn. That way the sensors can simulate entry into the Saturn atmosphere, and engineers can figure out if it's going to stay stable or not. So here at Langley, work from anywhere at NASA, we have that new thing. I'd like to book this room. So in building number 3 on this open house, look at this beautiful little model, 3D printed, and a real good crowd, boy. Robotic arm with this nice, looks like a weaving head, something that would weave with composites or something like that. Spools of composite twine or something. Got it programmed for the kids. You should see there. Look at all the kids sitting up there looking at that thing. Awesome. They did really good. Look at it's like nodding. These kids are loving it. What a great day here at Langley. Cool Legacy shuttle, orbiter models, wind tunnel models, I'm sure. Got the new separation system for Artemis. Flight vehicle here. Look at that feathering props on that. That's that E-plane. That looks nice. Wind tunnel model, of course, because Langley's big on wind tunnels. And instrumentation inside there. If you see, let me zoom in on that. There's some instrumentation bays in there. Of course, you know, nice to have composites. Just talked to the composite guy about vacuum bagging and NDE using ultrasound. He's, you know, and then you got old school tooling, man, old school. All right, building number 4 here on our tour, and look at this. Look at this. They got a nice big high bay with a gantry crane system. Good old Legacy shuttle over here. Sweet. Great static displays, I've noticed. They're super organized. They got a good flow of traffic going through here. Human materials interfaces called lathes. Look at that. You can see a programmable CNC machine. Good, good. Sting tunnel test article. So look at this. He says what he got over there spinning is the head. They'll put the model there, and then they'll run the instrumentation wires through the tunnel. They got hypersonic chambers here, so you know you gotta say, look at the thickness on that stuff. So you don't want that stuff bending when you're in that hypersonic tunnel. Look at this one. Oh, that's a beauty. Look at those swoop wings, like a bat. Still in building number 4, just got a little closer here to some of the CNC machines that they have. And Nice high bay. So I was just listening to Langley guy, and he was saying that black box is the spacecraft. This is the solar sail. So what you're seeing is all the sail area for that black box, the spacecraft.
Inertial navigation, all that stuff is
Inertial navigation,
has reaction wheels.
reaction wheels to stabilize, all sorts of good stuff. Okay, every twist and turn has something interesting here. Here's like a spiral deployable solar cell, it looks like to me, or a group of them, but probably a nice way. And then you've got some linear, probably rolled up panels here in a nice test jig. Yeah, yeah.
They're then deployed out in space to go ahead and get efficiencies by a larger area. But the way, the whole idea behind deployables is you can only fit inside the rocket launch vehicle, right?
Yes, sir. I'm from Kennedy, so we do the rockets down there. Yeah. You know, you got tight spaces, 6-meter fairings, yeah.
So if you could do one shot in one launch, it's much cheaper than doing it in 5 launches.
Yes, sir.
But Goalie, specifically the project in this bay, is testing these long deployable booms. Goalie will be looking at the configuration on the left. Specifically, it's a triangular.
Oh, he snuck in some booms here. Look at that.
Did sneak in
Yeah, very nice.
But the tower itself is 100 feet tall. We're testing a boom 98.5 feet long, so we're
Right at
squeezing
the
in.
max, yeah.
But this will help lend confidence to our analysis models, as well as validate some of the behaviors that we'll see.
All right, well, thank you so much. All right, so it's not been much of a line yet, but we're getting around, noon time, so a little bit of a line, but not bad. All right, so the employee just welcomed us to the structures laboratory. Things that are going on here. Here's a test panel, looks like a nice curved test panel painted some funky way. There's your inflatable habitat right there. This looks like a little wind tunnel test section right here or something. Oh, look at that. That's part of the tunnel, I swear. Awesome. So the young engineer was right there by his hypersonic tunnel telling me testing stuff for Mars. Of course, here's a legacy item here, shuttle wing leading edge, half scale model. Nice little movements there. Shoot, how many axes? Who knows? 24. This Snell buckling knockdown factor. So look at this piece of equipment. Nice big hydraulic piece of equipment, test equipment. So you hear this sound going on. They actually had this thing loaded for the general public, and they're unloading it now, and the structure is relieving, and you're hearing that popping sound. All right, entering the NASA Langley Engineering Services building, and it looks like they've got some big conference rooms probably in there. So inside the Engineering Services building, some of the large conference room they've turned into display areas, so little pockets of displays, a lot of kids stuff, which is cool. National Transonic Facility. All right, there it is. Oh boy, there it is. Look at that. That was worth the wait. There's the volume. I'm guessing this is the test chamber somewhere around here. Holy cow. He said that's the acceleration section. So it's the old Bernoulli's principle. Choke the flow, accelerate the gas. So. All right, so I'm just way too excited. Just everything I see some wires, I call it the test section. Ta-da! I'm at the test section. Got the door off, and there it is. It's dark, it's not well lit, but there it is. There's where all the magic happens. And as you can see, we got some fan blade sample there, Artemis testing. So, all right.
Some of these facilities are pretty old, and we've upgraded components, electronics over time, but the motif is still the government, beige, monotone.
Yeah. He just highlighted
Yeah,
that
that's
the electronics is, but the building.
Or making it look pretty.
Yeah, yeah.
Make it work.
He's an engineer at heart. He said
Yeah.
it don't have to be pretty. It just needs to work and get the data we need.
Yeah.
Awesome. So the guy upstairs in the control room said the latest article they had is in the roll-up doors called Swift, Unmanned Aerial Vehicle. And there you go. So here's a kind of cool little sculpture here at Langley. It looks like it's an inclusive kind of reminder here, and art project. Oh, it's a community art project. There we go. Hangar number 1 where we first started the tour. And she put that NASA sticker right up there. Gave a NASA sticker, she put it right up there. Yes, she did. It's like, yeah, she's on a NASA sticker.
This room is designed specifically so that when the sound plays, it bounces off the walls, continues to bounce around the room until it fills the whole room.
We're in the business end. We're in the business building right here. This is it. This, oh, the big American flag too. We gotta love that. Oh man. A little dirty, a little grimy, just the way we like it on the business end. Nice image there. And then got the guy doing the tour, talking to the peoples. I didn't realize we were literally in the section. We're actually walking. Here's the airflow or exhaust, one or the other. There's filters there. There's the section, and I guess it curves and goes around, and it has acoustic panels that they put in there. Amazing. We're literally in the flow path for the test section. That's cool. So I just had a subject matter expert explain to me what I'm seeing here. There's one wall down. So he said generally they'll either test with this wall, that black wall there, either both walls up or both walls down is what he said. So, and they control the flow with a flap here. And again, this is gentle breeze kind of testing, or, you know, up to 230 mile an hour winds. Thank you for watching my Langley open house video. More videos coming, so like and subscribe.